Today, we're going to be reading Peppa Pig. Daddy Pig puts up a picture. If you enjoy this story, please remember to like and subscribe. Mummy Pig is going to visit Granny and Grandpa Pig. She calls to tell them she's on her way. Daddy Pig is staying at home with Peppa and George. He has an important job to do. Daddy Pig is going to put up a picture. He's a DIY expert at home. Are you sure you can do this? Asked Mummy Pig. Please don't make a mess. Ho, 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 laughs Daddy Pig. As soon as Mummy Pig is gone, Daddy Pig gets started. Stand back, children, and watch a craftsman at work, he says. Daddy Pig finds a small nail to hang the picture on. He gets out his hammer. Don't break the wall, Daddy, warns Peppa. Daddy Pig hits the nail with the hammer. Thwack. Now there are a lot of cracks in the wall. It's not meant to do that, says Daddy Pig. Oh, cries Peppa. You have broken the wall. Daddy Pig decides to pull the nail out and fill the cracks. Uh-oh, Daddy Pig has pulled too hard. Now he really has broken the wall. Whoa! You see the sunshine out the window. Do you think Mummy will notice? Asked Peppa. I think she might, says Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig has to mend the wall before Mummy Pig comes home. Peppa and George help him to fill the hole with bricks. Hee hee hee. Daddy Pig fetches some plaster. He spreads it all over the bricks. There, he chuckles, easy as pie. The wall is looking better already. Daddy Pig opens a pot of green paint. He paints all over the plaster. It's as good as new, he chuckles. Hooray, hooray! The wall is mended, but look at all the mess Daddy Pig has made. Goodness me, says Daddy Pig. We'd better clean up before Mummy Pig comes home. Daddy Pig washes Peppa and George. They hadn't had a bath in the daytime before. Peppa vacuums the floor while Daddy Pig tidies up the tools. Hurry, Daddy, says Peppa. George watches at the window. Mummy! Mummy Pig is walking up to the house. Hello, says Mummy Pig. Why haven't you put up the picture? She quickly hangs it on the wall. There. That looked easy, gasped Peppa. But when you did it, Daddy, it looked very hard. Shh! Don't tell anyone, says Daddy Pig.